We all want to live in a truly smart, connected home. Introducing USE, an intelligent lock that brings forth the newest home security experience. Now you have the freedom to secure your home at maximum convenience. With the USE lock, you have complete control over how you unlock your door. Your smartphone is your key. Simply by tapping on your smartphone, you can open your door for your friends. With a built-in camera, you can get notifications when someone is nearby, so your home is always protected and will never be caught off guard. When going out, you can set USE to the double security mode. With video recording and its alert function, unwanted visitors will think twice before stepping foot on your property.
Hey! What are you doing?
USE combines all of our best security features into one lock. You are free to use the traditional key, smartphone, fingerprint, passcode, and key fob. You will never have to worry about losing or forgetting your keys again. But we didn't stop there. With the advanced biometric facial recognition technology, you can even unlock your door with a glance. All it takes is a look.
Home to me is, it's like base camp for your family. You know, it frames everything that kind of happens in your life.
It's the time to relax, be alone, and to feel safe.
Spending time together is really important to us. We've lived here for 24 years. Both my son and my daughter were raised here.
My wife and I miss our children. Parents know that they're really happy if their children are happy.
You don't realize it until you're a father how much they did for you. My father always put family first.
My kids not being home has been a real challenge. It's been very quiet, and we miss them terribly. We have a certain, should I answer that?
Oh, somebody's at my front door.
Wow, what's happening right now?
Hey!
Is this for real?
It's my daughter. I didn't know this.
Hi, Dad!
I'll be right there, Rachel.
Oh my goodness! It's my son.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Oh my gosh!
Happy Father's Day.
How are you?
Surprise!
What are you doing here?
Hi! Hi, Dad!
Oh, this is my daughter, Rachel.
I was not expecting it. Oh, love you.
Oh my gosh, absolutely the best Father's Day gift ever.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Hey there, I'm Belle, the AI home assistant. How can I serve you?
Hi, I'm here for a package delivery.
Yeah, it's Anna. I'm here to clean today.
Yeah, hello, I'm Brian. I'm here to pick up Kristen for the school prom.
Netvue Belle communicates with your callers, giving dynamic and bespoke responses. It can even open a door for your scheduled appointments.
Hi, Brian. I'll be down in a second.
Visitors can also leave a message when you can't be reached.
Oh, hi. I just moved here. You could drop by when you're free.
Hi, Brian. Happy Halloween. Are you here for Kristen again?
And can welcome guests on their next visit.
Let's go.
HD camera and night vision offers live camera and motion detection straight to your phone 24/7, keeping you safe and capturing those special moments in a family's life. Netvue Belle, working for your family.
In this video, we will take you through the key features of the Wisenet SmartCam D1 video doorbell. Face recognition. Know who's at your doorstep with instant face recognition. If you have previously saved your visitors to Interested Face, you'll receive an alert upon their arrival showing their name and profile image, meaning you will know who is ringing your doorbell. It is recommended to always check the live footage for your safety. Wondering how the SmartCam D1 is able to detect your visitors? Let's find out how the Interested Faces are set up in the SmartCam Plus app. First, to increase accuracy, you can merge multiple profile pictures of the same person. To do this, simply click User icon on the top right in the app's main dashboard, then select the profile pictures you want to merge. To assign the profile as an Interested Faces, drag the profile picture to the Interested Faces section. Then, click on the profile picture to set their name. Want to delete a profile? Easy. Simply click on the bin icon and then select the visitor you wish to remove. Once selected, click Delete. Human detection and motion zone selection. As a default setting, SmartCam D1 sends all notifications when human movement is detected. To set a custom motion zone, go to the settings. Choose Events and click Motion Zone under Human Detection. Here, you can customize the motion zone to fit right into your front door area. When human movement is detected within the motion zone selected, an alert will be sent to your phone. The SmartCam D1 detects only human behavior by distinguishing animals such as birds or cats from human activity. Optimize View. The SmartCam D1 is equipped with a 2-megapixel high-resolution video camera with 150 degrees diagonal viewing angle, delivering you a clear picture every time. And unlike the conventional 16:9 ratio, the SmartCam D1 uses 4:3 ratio optimized view, making it ideal for those tall friends, even if they stand just a foot away from the doorbell. Abnormal sound detection. The SmartCam D1's adjustable sound classification feature can be adapted to your preferences. To change your preference, go to the settings and then choose Events. When the SmartCam D1 detects abnormal sounds, it will override your logged settings to ensure you're notified of potentially dangerous situations. Should anything out of the ordinary occur, you will be alerted immediately. Cloud-based playback. The SmartCam D1 comes with an option of cloud-based playback functionality. You can watch the archived recordings through the SmartCam Plus app. Free cloud storage of all events is available for the first 15 days. Once the free trial period is over, head to www.mysmartcamcloud.com and choose the subscription package best suited for you. Do Not Disturb mode. Sometimes you'll want to pause the notification system, like when your kids are playing in the front yard. In these instances, simply turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, which gives you peace and quiet for up to 2 hours with no alerts. Wireless chime with SmartCam A1. The SmartCam D1 can be linked to a SmartCam A1 station hub to be used as a wireless chime. When your visitor rings, the SmartCam A1 and your doorbell will chime simultaneously. Hello Remo. Remo is the built-in intelligence that helps you optimize your use of SmartCam D1. For example, if you don't assign any Interested Faces, Remo will let you know with a personalized message for an improved SmartCam D1 experience tailored to you. Customize your doorbell's faceplate. Personalize your SmartCam D1 with 3 faceplates to choose from. Wearable device notifications. The SmartCam Plus app also works on your Android or Apple Watch, so you won't miss a single thing.